Okay, so what if I told you that, studying English for 5 minutes, literally just 5 minutes, is actually better than studying for an hour?
Wait, no. That's completely made up, Sam.
No, I'm serious. It is science.
5 minutes? What am I going to learn in 5 minutes? The word apple? Come on.
Okay, think about it. Think about brushing your teeth.
Okay.
If you brush your teeth for 2 minutes every single day, you have great teeth, right?
Right, yeah, obviously.
But what if you didn't brush them all week and then on Sunday you just brushed them for 40 minutes straight?
Oh my God, you'd have no gums left.
Exactly. Your gums would bleed, your teeth would hurt, and wait, they'd still be dirty from Monday.
Okay, gross, but fair point. Wait, so you're saying my brain is teeth?
Yes, exactly. Alex, your brain is teeth.
Wow, profound. Put that on a t-shirt.
No, but seriously, welcome to day 2 of our series here on Mr. English Builder. I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex, and apparently I have teeth in my brain.
You do. We all do. And today we are talking about the 5-minute secret. Because the biggest problem, the absolute biggest pain point for English learners
Is burnout, just totally burning out.
Exactly. People buy these huge textbooks, right? And they say, I'm going to study for 2 hours every Saturday.
Oh yeah, the classic New Year's resolution energy. I'm going to be fluent by March.
Right. And they do it once, maybe twice, and then,
Life happens. You get tired or Netflix drops a new season of something.
yep, and then you feel guilty. You feel like you failed.
Yeah, the guilt is real. I mean, I tried learning Spanish like that and I quit after 2 weeks.
Because you tried to do too much. Our brains are literally not designed to swallow a whole language in huge chunks.
Wait, so let me get this straight. You're saying if I only have 5 minutes on a Tuesday, that actually counts?
It doesn't just count, Alex. It's literally better.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to explain the science, because I still feel like you're just giving lazy people an excuse.
It's not lazy. It's called, okay, there's a fancy term for it.
Oh boy, here we go. Dr. Sam is in the house.
Shut up. It's called spaced repetition, or, microlearning.
Micro-learning. Okay. Sounds like a tiny school for ants.
It kind of is. No, wait, that analogy doesn't work. Look,
I'm looking. I'm listening.
when you learn a new word, let's say, vocabulary.
Okay. Vocabulary. Great word.
If you stare at a list of 50 words for an hour, your short-term memory gets completely jammed.
Right. It's like trying to stuff clothes into an already full suitcase. It just pops open.
Oh, I like that. Yes. The suitcase pops open and all the words fly out.
So the 5 minutes is what? Just packing a few pairs of socks?
Exactly. You pack 3 pairs of socks, you close the bag, you walk away.
Wait, that actually makes so much sense.
Right? And here is the real magic. When you walk away, your brain keeps working.
Wait, really? In the background? Like a computer downloading an update?
Yes, exactly like that. While you're making coffee or, taking a shower, your brain is organizing those socks.
Organizing the brain socks. Got it.
Okay, the analogies are getting a bit messy, but you get the point.
No, I do. But wait, if I do 5 minutes, what am I actually supposed to do? Just read a dictionary?
No, never read the dictionary. That's terrible.
Good, because I wasn't going to anyway.
You want to pick one specific thing, just one.
Give me an example. Right now, what's a 5-minute task?
Okay, listening to one pop song in English and reading the lyrics at the same time. Wait, that's studying? Just listening to music? Yes, because you're connecting the sound of the word to the spelling. It's highly active.
Oh, wow. Okay, I usually just do that in my car anyway.
See? You're already doing microlearning. Or, another example, watch a short YouTube video, like Mr. English Builder, hint, hint.
Nice plug. Very subtle.
I try my best, but really, just watch a short video, learn 3 new phrases, and then stop.
Stop? Literally force yourself to stop learning?
Yes, literally. I know it sounds crazy, Alex, but yeah, stop.
But why? If I have an hour of free time, why would I stop after 5 minutes? That makes no sense.
Because your brain it's like a sponge, right?
Okay, sure, a sponge.
If you pour a whole bucket of water on a dry sponge all at once, what happens?
It splashes everywhere. It makes a huge mess.
Exactly.
The sponge only absorbs a little bit, and the rest just goes down the drain.
Oh, wait, I get it. The water is the vocabulary.
Yes! If you study for 3 hours, or actually even just 1 hour straight, you forget most of it.
Geez, that is so true. I'll read a whole page of grammar and then just completely blank on it the next day.
Right. We all do it. It's called cognitive overload.
Cognitive what? Overload?
Yeah, basically just putting too much stuff in your brain at one time.
Like trying to eat a whole large pizza by yourself?
Yes, perfect analogy. You feel sick, right?
Speak for yourself, Sam. I can definitely finish a large pizza.
Okay, bad example. But you know what I mean.
Yeah, I do. So the 5-minute rule prevents this brain sickness?
Exactly. It's about consistency, not volume. 5 minutes every single day is way better than like 3 hours on a Sunday.
Wait, really? Is it actually better? Because teachers always say, study for your exams.
Exams are different. We're talking about building a language habit. You want the English to stay in your head forever, not just for a test.
Okay. That makes sense.
Let me give you another example. Let's practice it right now, actually.
Oh boy, are you going to test me?
No, just a mental exercise. Think about your morning routine, Alex.
Wake up, hit snooze 3 times, drink coffee.
Nice. While the coffee is brewing, how long does that take?
Like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 minutes?
Boom, right there. That is your learning window.
Oh, wow. While I'm just standing there like a zombie waiting for coffee.
Exactly. What if, instead of scrolling on your phone,
Which I definitely do. I'm usually looking at cat videos.
right, we all do. But what if you opened a flashcard app for just those 4 minutes?
I mean, I guess I could do that. It doesn't sound too hard.
It's not. You review maybe 10 words, then you drink your coffee. Done.
Done? That's it? I don't have to write an essay?
No essays. It's low pressure. And because it's only 5 minutes, your brain actually remembers it.
This is blowing my mind, Sam, because I always thought learning English meant sitting at a desk with like a heavy dictionary.
Oh man, throw the dictionary away. Seriously.
So, wait, what if I want to learn grammar? Can I do grammar in 5 minutes?
Yes, absolutely. But again, you have to be super specific.
Give me an example.
Okay, don't try to learn all the past tenses at once. Just learn one rule.
Like when to add ed at the end of a word?
Perfect, yes. Just look at a few examples of regular past tense verbs. Walked, talked, played.
Right, okay.
Then make up 3 sentences about your own life using those words.
Oh, making it personal.
Always make it personal. The brain loves that.
So I'd say like, I walked to the coffee machine, I talked to my cat.
Exactly. That takes, 2 minutes?
Yeah, maybe less.
And you just practiced grammar. It's simple, it's fast, and you actually did it.
You know what's funny? It's like a grumpy waiter.
Wait, what? A grumpy waiter? Where did that come from?
Think about it. If you give a grumpy waiter a giant list of orders all at once, he gets mad and forgets half of it.
Oh my gosh, yes, that is a great analogy.
But if you just give him one quick order, he can handle it.
You just described the human brain perfectly, Alex.
I'm a genius. What can I say? But wait, what happens if I miss a day? Does the waiter just quit?
No, the waiter doesn't quit. He just takes a coffee break.
Okay, shoo. Because honestly, I mess up all the time, like constantly.
Right, everyone does. But here's the secret. Just don't miss 2 days.
Wait, 2 days, not 1?
Exactly. 1 day is a mistake. 2 days is, it's a new habit.
Oh, wow. 2 days is a new habit. That's actually really scary.
It is. Like, if you skip Monday, fine. Life happens. You know, your dog ate your textbook.
Or my phone. Dogs eat phones now, right?
Sure, dogs eat phones. But Tuesday, you gotta show up on Tuesday.
Even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Especially if it's just for 5 minutes.
Right, so going back to the grumpy waiter,
Yeah?
if I miss Monday, I just come back Tuesday and give him a small order. I don't give him a giant order to make up for Monday.
Bingo. Yes, that's the biggest trap.
Oh, like people try to study for an hour on Tuesday because they feel guilty?
Literally, yes. They feel bad, they try to do a whole hour, they burn out.
And the waiter flips the table.
The waiter completely flips the table.
I've done that. I've literally done that with diets, the gym, English.
We all have, so just stick to the 5 minutes, always.
Okay, I actually really like this. I feel less stressed.
Good. That's the whole point. So I have a challenge for everyone listening right now.
Ooh, a challenge. I love a good challenge. What is it, Sam?
I want you to pick your 5 minutes, right now, today.
Like pick the exact time of day?
Yep. Are you going to do it while you brush your teeth?
While drinking coffee?
Exactly. Pick the trigger and just do it today.
Just 5 minutes. Don't go crazy.
Seriously, set a timer on your phone. When it rings, stop.
Wait, stop even if I really want to keep going?
Yes, stop even if you feel super motivated. It sounds crazy, but leave yourself wanting more.
Ah, so you're actually excited for tomorrow. That's sneaky.
It's a trick from cognitive psychology, Alex. It works like magic.
You're like a mind hacker. It's kind of weird, but I like it.
I'll take that as a compliment.
So wait, what if someone is listening to this and they're like, but Sam, I don't know what to study for 5 minutes?
Oh, that's easy. Just pick one vocabulary word. One single word.
One word? Not a list of 20?
No, just one. Write it down, make 3 sentences with it. Boom, done.
Like, apple?
Well, maybe something a bit harder than apple if you're intermediate, but yes.
Hey, apples are important. Keep the doctor away.
They do. But pick a word you actually want to use in real life.
Got it. Okay, so quick recap for my brain.
Go for it.
5 minutes a day. Link it to a daily habit like brushing my teeth.
Perfect.
If I miss a day, don't panic. Just don't miss 2 days.
Exactly. Don't make the grumpy waiter mad.
Never make him mad. And stop when the timer goes off.
You nailed it. That is the actual secret to learning English without quitting.
This is huge. Seriously, guys, try this out today. Let us know how it goes.
Please do. We want to hear about your 5-minute wins down in the comments.
Yeah, hit us up. And if you want more of Sam's sneaky mind-hawking secrets,
Please stop calling it that.
never. Make sure you subscribe to Mr. English Builder so you don't miss any episodes.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep building those habits.
Catch you next time. Don't let your waiter flip the table.